Welcome to a brief introduction about the personal project, the culminating learning experience in the MYP. I would like to start this introduction by asking you if there is something that you would like to learn. I really hope that your answer is yes, because I want to ask this question. What product would you have to create to make that learning happen? As you may or may not know, the personal project is a personal inquiry based on your interests. This means that you need to choose an experience that will keep you motivated and inspires you to learn about yourself. In order to succeed in the personal project experience, you will have to set two goals: a learning goal and another one related to the product that will help you demonstrate that learning. It is important to mention that you will set these two goals in consultation with your supervisor. In the description of this video, you will find a link to a video dedicated to the role of the personal project supervisor. Before you approach your supervisor to share your project goals, you must read about existing products which are similar to the outcome that you want to create, as well as the knowledge and skills needed to do so. By curating the ideas in your research, you will be able to identify ATL skills that you will need to apply throughout the process. The personal project experience is a process in which you will inquire, take action, and reflect on your learning. These three stages represent the three criteria that will be used to assess your learning goal and your product. Take a few seconds to read the strands in each criterion. Observe the relationship among the words in the same color. Notice that the learning goal and the product are relevant in the three criteria. Since the personal project happens at the end of your MYP experience, this engagement is an exercise of transfer. This means that you will have to use what you have learned in different subjects in previous years of the MYP and apply it in this experience. For example, to produce effective success criteria, you will have to transfer your knowledge from producing effective product specifications in design. Also, the personal project is an exploration of ATL skills. This means that you will have to demonstrate to what degree you have developed skills such as critical thinking, planning, investigating, collaboration, organization, time management, and communicating ideas in written and oral form. Effectively demonstrating these skills will reveal the extent to which you can carry out independent projects, take charge of your own learning, and collaborate with people from different backgrounds. You have to remember that your experience in the personal project begins now, in this very moment as you watch this video. For this reason, I encourage you to start recording your journey in a process journal. You have to select a medium that matches your learning style and that helps you to share your journey with your supervisor. In the description of this video, you will find a link to a video dedicated to the process journal. Keeping the assessment criteria in mind will help you to be successful. In a few words, as you design, plan, execute, and reflect on your learning goal and the product that you created, you will be demonstrating agency, as you will be making decisions that will impact your learning in different ways. You will demonstrate how you keep yourself motivated in a project of your choice. And most importantly, you will demonstrate commitment to personal learning, as you will take charge of your goals throughout the process. So, to conclude this introduction, I would like to remind you that you need to start by reading and investigating about the product that will help you achieve your learning goal. By curating the research and using it to set your goals, you will be able to create an action plan that will guide you to apply the ATLs necessary to produce and evaluate your outcome and to understand the impact that your project had on your learning. Remember that in the information box in this video, you will find links to other videos that will help you understand in detail the different components of the personal project journey. Happy learning!